John, who you talked about the vast numbers. Latinos helped fuel more than half of the growth of the U.S. population over the last decade, growing about twice as fast as the overall population, totaling nearly 61 million in 2019, according to the Census Bureau. Now, Latinos make up about 18.5% of the American population, even more when you look at younger Latinos, and that makes them the largest ethnic or racial group after non-Hispanic whites. And Latinos also account for about 17% of the U.S. workforce and are a growing economic force as well. Over the last 2 decades, Latino buying power has more than tripled from nearly $500 billion in 2000 to just over $1.5 trillion in 2018. That's bigger than the GDP of Mexico, according to the Selig Center for Economic Growth at the University of Georgia. And it's expected to reach $1.9 trillion in 2023, which is about the size of the GDP of Brazil, one of America's largest trading partners. But the COVID pandemic has really hit Latino communities hard on health and also when it comes to the economic impact. The Latino community saw the biggest surge in unemployment to nearly 19% in April, back down now to about 8.4% in November. That still remains nearly 2 points higher than the national average. And less than 1 in 4 Hispanics actually work on management or professional occupations, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, compared with about 1 in 3 blacks or 4 in 10 whites. About a quarter of Latinos work in service jobs. That's food service, maintenance, and cleaning. And then another third in construction, production, and transport jobs. But here's one of the key factors of this demographic. With a median age of 28, the U.S. Latino population is younger than non-Hispanic whites and African Americans. So they are not yet at their peak earning years. So that's bound to grow.